Hi everybody, it's Naviforce here. Today we prepare an unboxing video and the model number is the NF5023. Okay, now we will take a look at the packaging here with a white rectangular box. You can see our women's watch box. The white rectangular box is very textured. Okay, now let me open it. As you can see, here is the guarantee card, and this one is the instruction manual for our Quartz watches. Our warranty period for the watch is for 1 year. Okay, here, this is the watch we will unbox today. NF5023 adopts a Japanese quartz movement from the Cycle Instrument Inc. And you can see first that let's look at the back side. From the back side, you can know the model number here, the NF5023, and the circle of the parameter, that is the material of the back, which is stainless steel material, and the waterproof is for 3 ATM. Our Quartz watches all make use of the hardened mirror glass so that it is quite scratch resistant and very durable to use. Okay, next I will show you the size measurement of this watch. Okay, you can see that the size of the case, and you can say the case diameter of this model is 36 mm. And here the lug to lug of this watch is is 45 mm, and the thickness, you can see the thickness of this watch is very thin and it is only 8.5 mm. And then please pay attention to the case. The material is zinc alloy material and the strap here is the stainless steel material. Okay, now we are going to see more dial design details of this watch. You can see the 3, 6, 9, 12 o'clock position using the Arabic numerals, and here the shiny crystal diamonds as the scale. So and combined with 2 different patterns, you can see the dial center is the sunray pattern, and the scale, the bottom side of the scale is the CD pattern. This watch exudes a shimmering luster when you turn your wrist. And the slender lancet shaped hands, you can see the hands It's like a lancet leaves. It conveys a touch of neat elegance. Now we move on to the strap. Design the strap. You can see that it makes use of the Milanese steel woven bracelets, the material, and the total length of this watch is 235 mm. You can see here the buckle. Here is the hook buckle. It is very convenient and comfortable to wear. And it's quite thin and fit to your wrist. Very nice. Finally, let's see all the colors of this model. You can see there are a total of 6 colors here. Okay, the first one is the silver green. You can see the green color is quite mature, and the neckline green is very intellectual. The sense quite mature. Okay, the next one is the silver blue. This one, the blue color is very nice. You can see the blue here. The blue sunray pattern is like the black hole, just very captivating. The third one, the color is silver white. It's with the white dial and the silver case and the stainless steel strap. And you can see this one color is quite normal and easy to match in the daily life or in the workplace. And the fourth one color is the color that we just unboxed, and this one is the rose gold black. It's with the black dial and the stainless steel strap and the rose gold case. This one is also very classic and quite easy to match your clothes, and a sense of dainty and elegance. Okay, next one is the rose gold white. It's with the white dial and the rose gold case, strap, and the scales and the hands. This one color is I really love it, and this one is easy to match your dress or the quite elegant skirt. Very beautiful. Okay, the last one color is the rose gold gray. Compared to that one, the white, this one uses kind of gray color dial, bottom side, the summer pattern, and uses the rose gold case, strap, and the studs. This one, the color is also very elegant and intellectual sense. It is very suitable for the teachers or the very normal jobs, the workplaces. I think very nice. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF5023 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram or the Facebook if you guys love us and want to see more interesting content. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.